everyone, Bryant Lovette here with Lovette Properties, and excited to bring you yet another listing. This time we are up in North Raleigh. We are in the coveted 27614 zip code in the Wakefield community. Wakefield is perfectly situated. You are minutes from Falls Lake. You are minutes from Highway 540. An easy commute to downtown or RTP. So it's an amazing location. Can't say enough about it. But the home itself is on an amazing flat lot, lots of space in the backyard, and it has tons of natural light, an amazing floor plan, and great quality updates like a tankless natural gas water heater, an entire home generator system that will keep everything running for you in a power outage. It really is a special home, and we cannot wait to bring it to you. It's coming screaming at you this weekend. So please book your calendars, tell your friends about it, because it's coming at you fast. We will have it held open Saturday and Sunday. And of course, if you have any questions at all, please let us know. We want to get you answers. Have a fantastic rest of your day and a fantastic rest of your week.